Thanks, Solomon Seranja. Now let's stay in Uganda for a moment, and the government in Uganda has reacted angrily to international reports which accused it of spying on opposition leaders. The deputy government spokesman, retired Colonel Shaban Bantariza, termed the report as baseless and unfounded. The report had been compiled by Privacy International.
With a hidden intent to malign the Ugandan government and its security agencies, as Operation Fungua Macho is unknown to us. Certainly, we have means which include equipment to monitor those who would like to endanger Ugandan security. But those who engage in endangering Ugandan security are not necessarily political actors.
I know that all my gadgets are bagged. My own phone, even when I'm talking, you can hear all kinds of interferences in them.